Feel like there could be a big one here, man. Oh my God, dude! Oh, jeez! That's a good fish, buddy. Let's go. Dude, that's what it's all about right there, man. What is up, YouTube? We are out. It is Sunday, December 3rd. We are out on Lake Sheldon with Cody, Mark, and Zach. Mark's the only one with a fish right now. Zach had a couple bites. Wasn't able to get him to the boat, but it's absolutely gorgeous morning. It is just absolutely beautiful out here. So we're gonna see if we can get on some fish, guys. So y'all stay tuned and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.
No, man, just it's where the wind quits out on it right here.
Small one. Yes. Didn't get skunked. Cool. Yeah. Black and blue. Tough day out today, guys. Very tough day.
There he is.
Oh, it looks like a good one. Did he wrap you up, or is that a big one? Oh my God, dude! Oh, jeez! Woo! Yeah. Hold on, get your net, get your net, get your net. Hold on. Oh, come on, man. You get him?
He's in.
Dang! Yeah! Holy cow! Dude, that's a tank. Oh, at least. Holy crap.
Whoa!
Dude.
Look at that.
Oh,
thing.
yeah.
Swallow.
Golly.
My gosh, dude, what a tank.
Dude, what did I just say, too?
Man.
I said, I got a feeling there's a big one here. Yeah, he got the head of like a seven pounder.
He's probably a little over 5.
Yeah, he'd probably been 7 if he wasn't skinny. So are you, man. There you go.
Beautiful. You like that?
Off it goes. Yes. Nice, dude. Nice.
Give me some.
I think I got one on. Yep. Oh, good one. Oh, decent. Not 5. Man, I like him black and blue.
There it is. Getting on the black and blue today.
Yeah, little guy.
Mark just went in a nice right there across the desert.
So that was 2 fish. Y'all just got 2 fish over 5 in under 5 minutes. That's nuts. Dude, there's oh, there's a bite.
There
Dude. Yeah, he's swimming. He's swimming.
Take it. Still got it.
Dude, cast in here. They're in here.
How big, Mark?
Like 5, I forgot. It was
Wait.
5.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Go.
Yeah, he's swimming with it.
There it is. Pop that bitch.
That's a good fish, buddy. Don't bring that head up. Oh, shoot.
Hell yeah.
Oh, get out of there, get out of there. No, don't run in there.
Pull him out, get him out, get him out.
Dude, this is a toad. Holy crap!
Yeah!
Woo!
There it is!
Oh god, dude, this is my PB, I think. Dude, this is a solid fish.
Let me see.
Did you see it?
Not yet.
Dude, pull that thing out. Let me see.
Dude!
Holy crap!
Woo!
You got a scale?
Yeah, I do.
Check that. Oh man, what a
That thing's
monster.
got some shoulders.
Dude, it does. I did too, man. Golly, yes! Look at that fish, guys. Holy cow. What's that?
What's your PB?
Somewhere in the 7s.
Might have broke that, dude.
It's 6.
5.5. Yeah. Right there, guys. About almost a 6-pounder.
Hold on.
Man,
What a tank.
right there.
What a tank.
That's what it's all about, baby. Look at that fish. Look at that fish, baby.
He missed a big one over there.
Hey, Cody, look at that, dude. Dude, this thing is thick. That is a fish right there.
What a tank.
That's what it's all about, baby. We're out here grinding. We're out here grinding. And we're on them. We're on them.
Good. Welcome to my world.
Look at this fish, guys.
I don't catch fish like that.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was 3 in like 15 minutes.
Dude, I can't get over the shoulders on this.
Yeah, that thing's got some meat.
Yeah, that one's thick.
One more look. God. Dude.
If you're catching 5-pounders that quick, that's a good day. It's hard getting much over that.
There she goes.
We'll bounce off of that.
You're good. You're good. You're good. Give some. Oh, you're too far.
Here we go. Here we go.
Paddle. We'll take it. Awesome.
Point depth out.
Got you $1. I said, hey,
Hey, you're a man of your word.
first fish, man.
You gonna sign it for me?
That was for real.
I don't got a pen. But I'll rub my good luck off on there.
Thanks.
Just don't hook me. Well, folks, we literally just got poured on. You can see pants are soaked, sleeves are soaked, gloves are soaked. We are all soaked. Mark and Anthony are somewhere behind us. But yeah, we just saw a rain shower coming across the lake and wasn't nothing we could do but brace for it. And we got caught in it. And now it's starting to rain again, which means I'm gonna have to put this up. Oh, here we go, here we go. He on. Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Now we all over here.
I use the dollar excuse.
Never fails, Steve. You see my poor fish, that bite kind of works their way over there.
Cool.
I brought my oh, man.
All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video and that footage. Today was a crazy day. You might be able to hear it. It's now about 7 o'clock, Sunday night, December 3rd. Storming outside. It's nasty. It's getting cold. But today was crazy. You know, 3 fish over 5 pounds caught within about 30-40 yards of each other and within 10 minutes of each other. 2 of them almost back to back, Cody and mine. It was crazy, man. It was awesome. We grinded it out. We figured out a bite. It was very subtle. They were picking it up really light and running with it. So watching our line was really key if you didn't feel the bite. Throwing on the bottom and a wacky rig seemed to be the trick today. Top water was completely shut off. We had a few blow-ups, very, very few. The water was just too cold. They just weren't really aggressive enough for that kind of presentation today. But I want to thank Cody, Zach, Mark, and Anthony all for coming out today. Really awesome time. Great guys, great anglers. We had a blast out there and very blessed to catch those fish today. It was awesome. But it was a grind, man. You know, it was fairly cool. It was cloudy the entire day. We pretty much had no, I mean, obviously there was sunlight, but there were so many clouds in the sky, the sun really never broke through. And at one point we ended up getting absolutely poured on. And after that, at least Cody and I don't know how well Anthony and Mark did as far as their attire, because we kind of split up after that. But I was in jeans, a cotton shirt, and my jersey, and I was soaked head to toe. So it was pretty cold after that out there, because it was, you know, the temps today were in the 70s, so we got a little chilly. But we stuck it out, caught those good fish earlier this morning. And yeah, like I said, it was a grind. We fished for probably almost 8 hours. We were out there a long time, but it was well worth it. It was an awesome time. So hope you guys enjoyed the footage. I hope, if I don't have another video up, I hope you have a Merry Christmas holiday celebration, whatever you do, and enjoy time with family and friends. And as always, appreciate your support, your likes, your comments, and stay tuned and keep looking forward to the next video. So we should have some more out here soon. So take care, tight lines, and thanks for watching. Bye, back next time.
Whoa!